Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G in Mystic Red. Now you can pick this one up from Samsung.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $1,000. Now I know what y'all getting ready to say. That's kind of TGH. And I agree. I said the same thing. And if you're new to my channel, TGH is too goddamn high. All right, $1,000. I don't like that. Personally, I think this phone should have been around $800, considering that the Galaxy S20, the non-glassback version, the fan edition, is only $700. This is the non-glassback version of the Note. So this one should have been around $800. But hey, I don't make the prices. All I do is complain about them. I know the model. You got to pay to play. So let's play. But I will say one thing in Samsung's defense. Samsung has the best trade-in program on the market. Take a guess how much I paid for this brand new Galaxy Note 25 Gangster in Mystic Red and the Galaxy Buds Plus together. Y'all ready for this? $167. I repeat, $167. Now that's what I call savings. You don't believe me? Check this out. Now order directly from Samsung. Their trade-in program is ridiculous. Galaxy Note 25G, $139. Now I traded in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. They gave me $710. So check this out. If you got a Galaxy S20 Ultra and you're ready to get rid of it, maybe you don't like the autofocus issues, or you just want to upgrade to an S Pen, now's the time to get rid of it. All right. Now look, you can take your chances and put it on OfferUp and Craigslist, but that's assuming that somebody wants to buy your used phone with all your coronavirus particles on it. All right. If you're ready to just get rid of it, now's the time to trade it in. Now, depending on which phone you got, you're going to get less money. But still, if you got a Galaxy S10, Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy S9, they're going to give you top dollar. And check this out. They give you 6 months of Spotify, 4 months of YouTube Premium. They give you a $150 instant credit that you can use anywhere on the website. So I immediately got some Red Galaxy Buds Plus. Total price, $167. Savings, $1,117. Now, y'all know I like savings. This is savings. All right, now look, I'm not going to waste your time going through all of the specs. I already did a full unboxing. I did a full review. I did all of the cases, all of the accessories, all of the live wallpapers. I'll leave links for that in the description. Right now, we're just going to unbox this and enjoy the beautiful color. All right, here we go. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Here we go. Galaxy Note 20 5G. All right, the G stands for Gangster. Mystic Red. Okay, nice black box. Giggity. Got the red unboxing knife. Rah. One more. Rah. Here we go. All right. Now, one more thing I got to mention before we let that hype build up. I hate when companies do this. Now, if y'all watch my full review, one of my gripes was I hate when they break out one of the dope colors after the phone already been out. I hate that. All right. Chances are you didn't want this green shit. You didn't want the bronze. You wanted a dope color like red. All right. Samsung, Apple, stop doing that. Bring these colors out at launch. Had to get that off my chest. Here we go. Rah. Woo! Hold up. Woo! This is what I'm talking about. Now look, if you went in the store and you seen this and this on the shelf, what you would have did? I know some of y'all would have went with the Mystic Green. Me, I would have went straight to this Mystic Red. Let me do the smell test on this. Oh, this is that red. All right, this is red right here. All right, this is the definition of red. I love this. Now again, the non-glassback version, so it's a little bit overpriced, but it's still a dope phone. This is actually my third favorite phone. Number 1, Galaxy Z Fold 2. Number 2, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5 Gangster. And number 3, Galaxy Note 20 5 Gangster. Let's see, anything different in the box? Let's check the color of the plug. Nope, you still got the black plug. All right, Apple. Pay attention. You still got the fast charging brick. Okay. And your USB Type-C charging cables. Now, Samsung, they still skimping out. No headphones. All right, Samsung, slippery slope. I don't like that. Here we go. Now, real quick, let's take a look at the Buds Plus. Now, I don't know if they're calling this Mystic Red. Might just be red. Here we go. Woo-hoo. Oh. Now, y'all know red is my favorite color. Okay. Anger levels increasing. Let's see. I just want to check the cables. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great. White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Y'all see I had to bring the hook in to get right to that paw? Bang, just like that. All right, let's see. You still got the black cables. Got your red ear tips. Shoes came to inspect the cables. So let's give it some work. All right, Shoes. Inspect these for quality if you don't mind. Here we go. Check this out. Now here's how your combination is going to look. Note 25 Gangster and your red Galaxy Buds Plus. Woo! Yo, Shoes. You know what I'm talking about? Woo! This is what I like, yeah. All right, this is what I like to see. Now, when you're doing your wireless charge, it's going to look like that on the table. How sick is that? This is crazy. All right, let's take these out real quick. All right, so the case is black on the inside. Red Galaxy Buds Plus. All right, that's pretty dope. Now, I did a full review on these two. I love them. All right, let's keep it real. I love them. And that's pretty much it. Now, just for, like I said, I'm going to keep this quick. Just for color comparison, if you're shopping for your Galaxy Note 25G, here's the Mystic Green, Mystic Red. Go with the Mystic Red. Now, if you go to Samsung.com, it's actually out of stock right now. I jumped on this at midnight. And, of course, it disappeared fast. Let's see. Here's Mystic Bronze. I'm still going with the red. Imagine the big boy Note in red. Again, Samsung, I don't like this kind of shit. All right? Why bring out, you know what I'm saying? Why bring out the little version in Mystic Red? We need the big boy in Mystic Red. It is what it is. And just for fun, my only other red Samsung phone, Galaxy Note 10 Lite. I actually like the Note 10 Lite, has the glass back. I believe this is glass. It might be glass thick. I don't know. I think it's glass. Very shimmery, though. This has that matte. Matter of fact, now that I look at it, now I like this matte red better. No fingerprints. All right, this is sick. Let's see the trim. Okay. Let's take a look at that S Pen. All red. I love it. This is a go. Anyway, Samsung Galaxy Note 20, 5 Gangster, Mystic Red. Price is a little TGH, but if you're all about that red life, you need this. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.